Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are installing this Dee Zee Tailgate Assist on our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. So the great thing about Dee Zee is they provide an instruction manual. It's fantastic, gives you a bunch of photos, step-by-step install guide, which is great for people like me because my ability typically taps out at IKEA shelf install, so this is super helpful. So it looks like first step here, so we're gonna be removing this side, these clips, some nuts and bolts here, and it can only be installed on the driver's side. Remove that. Next, you're gonna take a T25 bit, you're gonna remove these T25 bolts. And then we're gonna be removing these plastic rivets here and here. So I got it in between these two and I popped it out. And then get this guy out. There we go. There we go. Pull out the tail light, and Dee Zee recommends throwing a rag in here just so you can rest down your tail light against the body of your truck. And you're gonna be installing the tailgate assist in here. The bottom end goes down here into this area. There's this little ball right here. And then the top end goes right here. So let's grab our tailgate assist. I'm gonna take this end and attach it to the ball down here. All right. Okay. So once we got that closed shut, should have enough space to get this guy on there. So you might have to kind of compress, push down a little hard on your tailgate assist here, get it pushed down enough, put it right on. And now it's on, we can drop it down, or it opens up nice and smoothly, then you can reattach your tailgate light, tail light. Pop that in, start with these. There it is. There it is. There we go. Reattach. And then we're gonna take this, reattach that, pick up your tailgate a little bit, pull it down, lock it in place. Now, before, when I opened up this tailgate, it would hit you faster than your mother catching you coming home, sneaking in through your window. But now, check this out. Look at that, nice and smooth. You don't gotta get your kids out of the way or scream for your dog to move. It's just gonna open nice and slow. You can't tell, this is the Ram 1500, but it looks like now it's got the premium package in it. Open and close, nice and smooth. Let's watch that again. Look at that, just beautiful. So if you want to take your Ram 1500 tailgate to the next level, check us out on upfitsupply.com where you can get this Dee Zee Tailgate Assist and many other truck accessories. I'm Johnny, have a good one.